Today I am reviewing the ACEMAGIC Retro X5 Mini Gaming PC. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The ACEMAGIC Retro X5 Mini Gaming PC is a compact powerhouse that blends cutting-edge performance with a unique retro-inspired design. This mini PC is built for users who want desktop-level power in a small, space-saving form factor, making it ideal for gaming setups, home offices, content creation, and even AI-powered workloads. Starting with the design, the Retro X5 immediately stands out thanks to its retro console-inspired look. It combines classic gaming aesthetics with a modern industrial finish, giving it a nostalgic yet futuristic appearance. This makes it not just a powerful machine, but also a stylish addition to your desk or entertainment center. Despite its small size, it feels solid and well-built, reflecting the premium nature of the hardware inside. At the heart of this mini PC is the AMD Ryzen AI 9HX370 processor, which is a true flagship chip. With 12 cores and 24 threads, along with a boost clock of up to 5.1 GHz, this processor delivers exceptional performance across the board. Whether you're gaming, multitasking, or running heavy productivity applications, the system handles everything with ease. It even outperforms some high-end desktop and laptop CPUs in its class, making it a serious contender for power users. One of the standout features of this system is its advanced AI capabilities. Powered by AMD's latest AI engine with RDNA 2 architecture, the Retro X5 delivers up to 50 TOPS of dedicated NPU performance and up to 80 TOPS combined AI performance. This means the system is future-ready for AI-driven applications, including AI content creation, machine learning tasks, and intelligent productivity tools. It's a forward-thinking machine built for the next generation of computing. For graphics, the mini PC features the AMD Radeon 890M integrated GPU, based on the RDNA 3.5 architecture. This is one of the most powerful integrated graphics solutions available today. With high clock speeds and 16 compute units, it delivers performance that can rival entry-level discrete GPUs. This allows you to play modern games at respectable settings, enjoy smooth 4K video playback, and handle graphical workloads without needing a dedicated graphics card. For a mini PC, this level of graphics performance is impressive. Memory and storage are also top tier. The system comes equipped with 32 GB of DDR5 RAM running at 5,600 MHz, providing fast and responsive multitasking. You can easily switch between applications, run multiple programs simultaneously, and handle demanding workloads without slowdowns. The 1 TB PCIe Gen 4 NVMe SSD ensures ultra-fast storage speeds, with quick boot times and near-instant application loading. Additionally, the system supports expansion up to 128 GB RAM and 4 TB storage, giving you plenty of room to upgrade in the future. Connectivity is another major strength of the Retro X5. It supports quad display output, allowing you to connect up to 4 monitors simultaneously. With ports like HDMI 2.1, DisplayPort 2.0, and USB 4 Type-C, you can run multiple high-resolution displays, including 4K and even 8K setups. This makes it ideal for traders, developers, content creators, and anyone who benefits from a multi-monitor workflow. The connectivity options are extensive and future-ready. It includes Wi-Fi 7, ensuring ultra-fast and stable wireless internet, along with Bluetooth 5.4 for seamless connection to peripherals like keyboards, mice, headphones, and more. There are also multiple USB ports, including USB 3.2 and USB 4, allowing you to connect a wide range of devices. Dual gigabit Ethernet ports are also included, which is especially useful for users who need stable and high-speed wired connections. In terms of performance, this mini PC is designed to handle a wide variety of tasks with ease. For gaming, it can run many modern titles at smooth frame rates, especially when optimized for the Radeon 890M GPU. For productivity, it excels in tasks like video editing, programming, office work, and multitasking. The AI capabilities also make it a strong choice for future-ready workloads, ensuring it remains relevant for years to come. Cooling and power efficiency are also well balanced. With a 65 WTDP, the system delivers powerful performance while maintaining relatively low power consumption. This makes it energy efficient compared to traditional desktop systems, and it also helps keep heat levels manageable inside its compact chassis. One of the biggest advantages of this mini PC is its versatility. It can be used as a home theater PC, a compact gaming system, a professional workstation, or even a portable desktop replacement. Its small footprint means it can easily fit in tight spaces, making it perfect for minimal setups or users who want to reduce clutter without sacrificing performance. Overall, the ACEMAGIC Retro X5 Mini Gaming PC is a highly impressive system that combines raw performance, AI capabilities, and modern connectivity in a compact and stylish design. It delivers desktop-class power in a small form factor, making it one of the most powerful mini PCs available in its category. If you're looking for a high-performance mini PC with future-ready AI features, strong gaming capability, and excellent multitasking power, the Retro X5 is an outstanding choice. It's a perfect blend of performance, efficiency, and innovation packed into a compact device.